another day, another ganap. With my J-Lo earrings. So, nandito tayo sa, where are we?
Red Hook.
Red Hook. Red Hook Seafood. Try natin dito kung masarap. Seafood. So, mag-expect tayo ng seafood boil. So, crave tayo na mussels, clams. We'll find out kung masarap. So, this is where is this? Where we at? Bandera Road 410, San Antonio. Near Bandera Road, diba? Try natin. Diba? Para siyang ocean effect. Tapos may paganyan siya. Diba? Uy, sino yung pretty girl na yan? Pretty girl. Diba? Meron siyang parang boat effect.
Newport near Leon Valley.
So, ayan. Red Hook Seafood. Try natin kung masarap yan. Siyempre, meron tayong lemons. Merong garlic. This is garlic butter. Shell. And, of course, nandun yung seafood bucket later.
What?
Meron siyang ganito. Para complete ata. So we won't get dirty. We're ready for the Red Hook, mister. Meron na siyang paganyan. Meron siyang paganito. Siyempre naiingit yung anak ko, diba? Show them, Armin. Your Red Hook. Yeah.
And then your fish basket.
Thank you. Alright, siyempre mayroong rice, hindi ba rin wala. So, ayan. So, try natin. Okay. Iban natin to. Sarap. Sarap. So, pag nagawi kayo sa Antonio, kaya nagpakumpleto yung kanin. Try natin yung may melted butter. Sarap.